Welcome back! Today, we're breaking down where the smart money is heading in real estate for 2024. The US market is shifting. Interest rates are unpredictable, inventory is tight, and buyers are cautious. So, how do you find real opportunity in this landscape? I've dug deep into the data to uncover the top 5 cities primed to thrive, not just survive. And to make it fun, we're revealing them claymation style. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Number 5 is Austin, Texas, a city that's become a tech powerhouse. While prices have risen, Austin's momentum is fueled by massive investments from Apple, Tesla, and Oracle. These companies aren't just opening offices, they're building empires, creating thousands of high-paying jobs. This influx of talent drives demand for housing both to buy and rent. Even as appreciation cools, the foundation remains rock solid. Rental demand is sky high, and investors are buying into a city with a proven track record. The real play? Look to the suburbs and up-and-coming neighborhoods for value. Austin's tech ecosystem is deeply entrenched, making it a stable bet for long-term growth. You're investing alongside some of the world's smartest companies. Yes, entry costs are higher, but so is the potential for appreciation and rental income. Be strategic. Do your homework on neighborhoods and local development. For savvy investors, Austin is like a blue-chip stock in real estate. Its combination of corporate investment, job creation, and quality of life is hard to beat. That's why Austin earns its spot on our list. The city's resilience and growth potential are undeniable. If you want a market with staying power, Austin is it. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is Raleigh, North Carolina, a city that nails the balance between growth and affordability. Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill form the Research Triangle, a magnet for tech, research, and education. Major universities fuel a steady stream of talent, attracting giants like IBM, Cisco, and GlaxoSmithKline. Unlike other tech hubs, Raleigh's home prices are still accessible. Lower entry costs mean more opportunity for investors and new residents. The city offers a high quality of life, great schools, and a strong sense of community. Rental demand is strong, thanks to students, researchers, and professionals moving in. You can find cash flow and appreciation potential here. Apple's billion-dollar campus is a game-changer, signaling long-term growth. The Research Triangle Park keeps expanding, bringing billions in new projects. Raleigh is a city on the verge of a major boom, not one that's already peaked. It's the sweet spot for value and growth. For investors, Raleigh offers stability and upside. It's a market built for the future. On to number 3. Number 3 is Tampa, Florida, a city transformed by explosive population growth. People from high-tax states are flocking here for the weather, lifestyle, and no state income tax. This migration is driving up home values and creating a red-hot rental market. Tampa's economy is diversifying with strong finance, healthcare, and tech sectors. High rental demand means low vacancies and strong cash flow for investors. Major developments like Water Street Tampa are reshaping the city and attracting even more growth. The combination of tax advantages, population influx, and economic strength sets Tampa apart. It's not just a boom and bust market anymore. Tampa is positioned for long-term real estate success. If you want strong rental returns and appreciation, Tampa is a top pick. The sun is shining on Tampa's property market. Let's head to number 2. Number 2 is Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, but so much more. Nashville's economy is booming, led by healthcare, tech, and major corporate relocations. Over 500 healthcare companies and big names like Amazon and AllianceBernstein are fueling job growth. No state income tax is a huge draw for both residents and businesses. Population growth is surging, driving up home values and rental demand. Investors can expect strong appreciation and a deep pool of quality tenants. The city's cultural scene and tourist appeal also open doors for short-term rentals. Focus on neighborhoods in the path of growth for the best returns. Nashville blends historic charm with a forward-looking economy. It's a city firing on all cylinders, diverse, dynamic, and full of opportunity. For real estate investors, Nashville is a chart topper. The future here looks bright. Now let's reveal our number 1 city. Number 1 is Phoenix, Arizona, the desert metropolis of opportunity. Phoenix is the fastest-growing county in the U.S., with people moving in from everywhere, especially California. The job market is booming, led by massive investments from Intel and TSMC in high-tech manufacturing. Despite rapid growth, housing remains relatively affordable, making positive cash flow possible. The rental market is on fire with high demand and low vacancies. Investors can choose from established neighborhoods or up-and-coming areas on the city's edge. Phoenix's expansion means there's room for every budget and strategy. The drive until you qualify model is alive and well, and land values keep rising. Phoenix offers the trifecta: population growth, job creation, and affordable housing. The fundamentals are so strong, it stands out as the top city for 2024. While every market has risks, Phoenix's momentum is undeniable. If you want the best shot at appreciation and cash flow, Phoenix is the place. Let's wrap it up. There you have it, my top 5 cities for real estate in 2024: Austin, Raleigh, Tampa, Nashville, and Phoenix. Each city offers unique opportunities, strong job growth, and long-term potential. Remember, this is a starting point. Do your own research before investing. Dive into neighborhoods, talk to local experts, and make sure your investment fits your goals. The best investment is always an informed one. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.